Charlie Zulu, visual marker.
Thank you, Charlie Zulu. You're following our Skyhawk Abim D Monastery this time, and look out for an aerobat just airborne for for Magadi.
We'll look out and position behind the aerobat Abim Monastery, 5 Yankee Charlie Zulu.
5 November Bravo, look out for a Skyhawk visual marker routing wide.
Looking out for the Skyhawk at visual marker, 5 Yankee November Bravo.
Thank you, Charlie Mike. Expedite backtrack confirm.
Expedite backtrack on for Charlie Mike.
5 Charlie Quebec, clear to Tango 07, who is come?
At Tango, Charlie Quebec.
There's our traffic.
Bravo and extra Delta.
Yeah, can you see this one going like this?
Bravo, Quebec.
I can
Yeah, kilometer turning.
Can see.
Turning inbound.
Another plane.
Wilson
Yeah.
5 Yankee Bravo.
Going like that. Oh, yeah,
Thank you,
yeah.
Bravo, Quebec. Line up on 1 for wait.
Line up on 1 for wait, 5 Yankee Bravo, Quebec.
Supposed to position behind him. Behind the runway? Or behind him? Oh. Oh, because he's going to land. Yeah. Okay, now I can see. Which road is this now? That's what's a Galleria Mall. I don't even know which one that is. You don't know Galleria Mall? Okay. So this road that now enters Syokimau, no, Syokimau, we've passed Tuko. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Taxi Delta, Shanu 07, wind is come, clear to land.
Come in, clear.
So which area is this here now? Current.
Thank you, Charlie Zulu. Do you have the Skyhawk visual?
FM. Oh, this is current. Yep. Damn, okay.
She's cooking 0715, there is a problem.
Papa Yankee Charlie Quebec down in 07 touch and go.
Tower 5 Yankee Charlie Zulu Monastery.
5 Charlie Quebec, position behind the Skyhawk over the Monastery, number 3 final.
Number 3 to the Skyhawk, Charlie Quebec. Wilson 5 Yankee Juliet Hotel Charlie.
So this is Galleria Mall here. Right. This is now Langata. Okay. You'll see the cemetery on my left. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, Taxi Delta, exit left on Charlie, 129.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good evening.
Good evening.
Here's the cemetery, Palembele.
Wilson 5 Yankee Juliet Hotel.
Thank you, Bravo Quebec, confirm ready.
Ready 5 Yankee Bravo Quebec.
So start my
Quebec will come, run 1 for
approach
clear
for
to take
17.
Yeah, take off right down.
Habit out. Bridges in the white tank.
Thank you, Remo, continue approach.
Continuing 07.
Where's the cemetery? Yeah. Can't see the graves here. Oh, yeah.
Wilson ground. Wilson Tower, 5 Yankee Charlie Delta Alpha.
5 Yankee Romeo, runway 07, wind is come, clear to Tango.
Touch and go 07.
Thank you, Charlie Delta Alpha, line up on 1 for wait.
Line up and wait, Charlie Delta Alpha.
camp, speed is in the white arc, flaps 20. Hey, the cemetery is big, huh? Yep. Narans ndo ile huko. Yeah. Oh, is that the runway there? Yep. Down the lights. Yep.
Wilson Tower 5 Yankee, Julius Yankee.
Yankee, Juliet, Whiskey Yankee, report silos for sequencing.
Holy Silos 5 Julius Yankee.
Five Charlie Zulu, clear to Tango 07, wind is come.
Negative to land.
Roger, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Charlie Quebec, final, wait 1 string.
Five Charlie Quebec, number 2.
Number 2. And Bravo for Quebec. Bravo for Quebec.
Thank you, Bravo Quebec, you're following us, aerobat approaching Amikam.
Copy the traffic, and we request to proceed to the local for about 30 minutes.
5X Quebec, copied, next rejoining.
Copied, call you next joining. Anchor is down on 07,
Yankee Romeo, report a beam come.
a beam come. Tower 5 Julius Yankee silence.
Look out for 2 on the downwind and stand by sequence.
Looking out to Bravo Yankee.
Thank you, Charlie Zulu to the end, Charlie 149.
Requesting backtrack 14.
Negative to the end.
Copied.
Thank you, Charlie Delta Alpha, runway 14, wind is come, cleared for takeoff right and out.
Clear to take off, Charlie Delta Alpha.
So this apron 1.
Yeah. Oh, that's where the private jets are. Wait, is
No,
it?
I'll show you.
Thank you, Juliet Whiskey Yankee, you have Skyhawk approaching a beam the camp, look out, overtake well clear, and next report final 07.
Roger, to overtake, well clear, call the final 5 Julius Yankee.
Charlie Zulu requesting QSY.
129.
129.
5 Yankee November, Bravo is on out.
Charlie.
Data Tango.
5 number Bravo, center 185.
After landing checks, throttle at loose. Habit is cold. Landing light will remain on, nav light off. Flaps retract. Trim on neutral. Transponder off. Wilson ground from 5 Yankee Charlie Zulu.
5 Yankee Charlie Zulu, some
5 Yankee Charlie Zulu with you at Charlie requesting taxi clearance short of runway 14.
5 Yankee Charlie Zulu, taxi via Charlie, or short of runway 14.
Charlie short of runway 14, 5 Yankee Charlie Zulu.
Ground 5 Yankee Sierra X-ray Delta.
5 Yankee Sierra X-ray Delta, Wilson ground.
Okay, request taxi security apron 4.
5 Yankee Sierra X-ray Delta, standby, hold position.
So this Air Kenya.
Oh.